Somebody recently asked me, what is PIP insurance? And what's the difference between PIP and MedPay? I'm Michael Wadler. I'm a board-certified personal injury trial lawyer in Houston, Texas, and I can answer that question. PIP is short for Personal Injury Protection, and it's a type of insurance that's called a no-fault insurance. PIP covers usually up to $2,500 for any medical expenses or lost wages that you incur as a result of injuries you sustain involving your automobile. Now, what's important about PIP is it's called a no-fault insurance. And what no-fault means is that it doesn't matter what caused your injuries. All that's important and all that you have to show to be entitled to recover that insurance is that A, you are injured, and B, your injury involved an automobile. It could be as a passenger, as a driver, as a pedestrian. It could be even if you're getting out of the car and slam the door on your hand and you're injured. It doesn't matter whose fault it is. All that requires is that you were injured with your automobile. If you can show that, then you can submit your medical bills to your auto insurance company, and your auto insurance will reimburse you up to $2,500 for those medical expenses. And if you can show you had lost wages, that can also be combined, but not over the limit of the insurance. The reason I say $2,500 is because the state requires the insurance to offer at least $2,500 to each person. You may decline it, but that's the minimum that can be sold. You can get more PIP insurance. You can get it $10,000, $25,000. I've seen as much as $100,000. Those are rare, but you can increase your coverage. The way that you know how much PIP is to speak to somebody knowledgeable about this insurance. There's also a type of insurance called MedPay, and it's real similar to PIP except for two important distinctions. One, unlike PIP, MedPay will only reimburse you for your medical expenses. And number two, MedPay has what's called a right of subrogation. Basically what that means is if you recover your MedPay and your injuries were the fault of somebody else and you recover from them, you have to reimburse your MedPay. PIP, you never have to reimburse. It's yours. I hope that this answered some of your questions. If you have this question or others, please feel free to give me a call.